Good afternoon, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. A few weeks ago, I asked you guys which of 4 different shave heads you guys wanted to see for this video. And the one that won the vote was this one here that I just recently got from AliExpress. It is a folding style straight edge razor. Pack of blades that came with it. I haven't even looked at these yet. Push the button. Release. Push the top. Open that up. So, we'll be giving this a try for the very first time. And from my buddy at Long Island Shaving, he sent me this set. Carter from Strike Gold Shaves. Almond, macadamia, pistachio, walnut, vanilla. Check out my multi-speed shave. I'll give more details on this. And this is tallow-based, matching alcohol-based splash. My Coyote Cuts synthetic. First time using Phoenix Shaving the Cube, the original one. And my massive Philip Sharp lather bowl. But stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to load this razor right now. So, let's give a quick demonstration on how to load the Colorlamb Forester Series Portable Safety Razor. You've got your razor, the single edge razor blade, stainless steel that came with it. All you do is you push that little button there, extends the handle part, locks into place, push right here, which also seems to be an Allen key, swivel the head, and it locks into place. Now, to load your blade, pull the top plate off, and you can see the magnets in the top and bottom plate. Take one of your blades, now it just takes a standard DE half blade, either pre-cut or snapped. And you can see the little squared off corners here that correspond to the squared off corners on your blade. Everything held nice and snug with the magnets. Put your top plate on, again held in with your magnets. And you're all ready for your shave. Now, I haven't found a great way to take the blade out, so what I do is I actually take the narrow end of my top plate, put it between the blade and the lather slot so that I can remove it. Put your top blade back on, push, swivel, push here, throw it in your DOP kit, and you're all ready for your next shave. So, we have got our lather made up in this massive lather bowl. Oh, wonderful. Comfort food for your face. Great lather. Holds a lot of water. Razor loaded with a standard half DE. I'm going with the brand that they sent, which is Colorlamb brand. And we're going to wet our face and go with the cube. Frank Misa of Strike Gold Shave is a well-known member in the wet shaving community. Having spent several years learning and perfecting his skills with straight razors, he has become an expert Hohenmeister. He's passionate about educating both new and experienced shavers on all things about straight razors. Along the way, he also discovered a deep love for fragrances. Working in collaboration with Vanulay, Frank sets out to create uniquely crafted shave soaps and aftershaves. He has also done collaborations with Jerry Pleshy and Tobin Fetters. With a career dedicated to public service as a retired police officer and firefighter, Frank carries that same commitment into his business, ensuring every customer receives personalized service, expert guidance, and a product that meets their needs. Frank is also known for developing scents that are inspired by and celebrate various American presidents. In this particular scent, which is called Carter, he is inspired by Carter's roots and his years as a peanut farmer. Jimmy Carter served between 1977 and 1981 as the 39th President of the United States and was a member of the Democratic Party. He also has the distinction of being the longest-lived president, born in Plains, Georgia on October 1st, 1924, and passing away also in Plains, Georgia on December 29th, 2024. This scent pays respect to his humble roots as a peanut farmer. I'll tell you what the scent profile is on this. Top notes: a burst of cashew, hazelnut, and pistachio, layered with a hint of fresh bay leaf, offering an invigorating yet warm welcome. Middle notes: rich almond, macadamia, and walnut weave together, rounded by a dash of nutmeg for depth and intrigue. Base notes of smooth, lingering hints of vanilla, chocolate, caramel, and honey wrap up in this scent with a creamy, gourmand warmth. Unfortunately, if you look at the Strike Gold Shave website right now, you won't find Carter listed there. And I did reach out to Frank to ask him if it was just sold out or if it was a limited release. And luckily, he said that it is just sold out and it is going to be making a return. You can find the link to Frank's website in the description of this video. And also, he's going to be having some new straight razors coming in soon, so keep an eye out for that one too. So, got her all cleaned out. Not sure what those are. Little slight weeper there. That's a DFS. So now we are going to take our Phoenix shaving alum, wet it, rub it over, and let's just see how we did. Slight bit of burn, but overall not too bad at all. Now we are going to go with Strike Gold Shave Clark Aftershave Alcohol and Witch Hazel. Love that nutty scent. Oh my god, that's really nice. Oh, that bit of tingle. Damn, that's nice. The Colorlamb folding razor from AliExpress. What do I think? It's got some play in it. Got a little bit of play in it. Lather slots are kind of small. Normally, you would never put a razor through what I just did. Like I said, probably about a week and a half's worth of growth, something like that. I just haven't had work's been weird and hectic. But overall, not bad. Like the way it folds down. Looks like a little pocket knife. Just push the little button right there. Pops up. Push this button here. Clicks into place. Very mild. Not my favorite blade by any stretch. Like I said, I use the blades that they sent, not my own. But overall, for the price, I think it might be worth checking out. They seem to range, you get them on sale between about 15 and 30 USD. So, depending, I would definitely use my own blades, though. Not a fan of their blades. And like I said, if you don't mind a little bit of play, but it is fairly mild, I would say, in a way, it's similar to the Leaf Twig, which I have. I'm going to do a video of. The Twig actually holds, it feels nicer in the hand. But again, the way I hold a razor, that little notch there is kind of nice too. You know, put your thumb there. It doesn't have a pivoting head, but it feels very natural to use. Like I said, other than, looks like maybe a scratch. I got one on that side too. But maybe as a daily shaver, you sure as hell wouldn't mow through that much growth. There's just no way. I had to take it apart, take the blade out a few times because it was getting gummed up underneath. But other than that, like I said, any razor's going to do that. And then we went Strike Gold Shave Clark. Great scent. Check out the notes. Check out Frank Misa's website. Awesomeness. Philip Sharp Lather Bolt. This thing is just huge. I still have a ton of lather left. Coyote Cuts Synthetic. Phoenix Shaving Cube. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. There was another razor that one of the guys, Jonathan, commented he really wanted to see me use. I'll use that probably in a couple, 2 or 3 weeks. I've got a couple of other videos I've got to get out the door as well. So, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.